is Jenny. I'm an artist, teacher, and the creator of Hammer Saw Drill. Hammer Saw Drill is an adaptive woodworking curriculum. Everything from the tools we use to the projects we build has been designed to be accessible and achievable for people of varying ages and abilities. Woodworking has been a part of my family for generations, and is something that I have fond memories of from my own childhood. I wanted to share that experience with my young students in a way that was fun, educational, and safe. I also have FSH muscular dystrophy, a genetic disorder that causes muscle weakness. My personal experience with disability and its challenges played a large part in the curriculum development. It's important to me that all people, regardless of circumstance, should have the opportunity to enjoy woodworking. I've used the Hammer Saw Drill curriculum in schools, summer camps, intergenerational programs, and several grant-funded residencies with special education classrooms. Now, with the creation of this online course, Hammer Saw Drill has taken the next step in accessibility by breaking through the location barrier. I'm excited to be able to share woodworking with people all over the world. I'm so glad you've taken an interest in woodworking. You're going to love it. I'll see you in the wood shop, and I look forward to seeing what you build. In this section, you'll learn all the basic information and skills you need to get started woodworking. We'll cover woodworking tools and materials, safety guidelines, and woodworking rules. And don't worry, it's not all talk. You'll get the chance to use each of your tools as we go.